Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to discuss about how to conserve and sustainable the use of ocean, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. By the way, I'm Manuel Reynon Villalobos, and I'm from class H236, and my sustainable goal development number 14 is life below water. The expansion of protected areas for marine biodiversity and existing policy and threats that encourage responsible use of ocean resources. As a billion of people depend on their livelihood and food source, we should put increased efforts and intervention to protect our ocean, to consume and conserve the sustainable of the ocean resources. According to UN, the global and local statistic of the water pollution is arising in a global crisis because there are 3 billion people depend on the marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihood. So according to UN, as you can see, there are 13,000 plastic of litter to be found in every square kilometer in the ocean. So for example of that is when Boracay did not sustain their cleanliness of their marine and coastal diversity. So many of tourists and livelihood of our fellow Filipinos will affected on that habitats and other human activities. For example, in that is in the Philippines, there are many illegal fisheries that happen in our country. So, like they use a dynamite fishing. Some of our fellow Filipinos they cut on up by stealing our coastal reefs and destroying of their. Last one is the large oil spill threaten the marine ecosystem. For example, is that in the Philippines that happened in Gumimaras on 2006, there are large oil spill that threatens the marine ecosystem, and many of livelihood of our fellow Filipinos in the marine and coastal biodiversity are destroyed by the. To save our ocean, to protect our future, here are the 3 solutions to protect life below water. To help the marine and coastal biodiversity by putting a proper disposal or putting on every trash can on a beach to sustain the cleanliness and the beautiful of the ocean. For example, this is like they do in Boracay. They totally lock down to develop their tourism in there and to sustain the development of their tourism by putting in every trash can in a beach to sustain and the cleanliness and the development of their tourism. The next one is to prevent oil spill. Like in Gumimaras, they prevent oil spill by planting on natural resources or plants in the sea, like mangrove tree, to sustain and help the ocean. They use the hair to hold the oil spill in the water. So now the Gumimaras is preventing an oil spill since 2020. Lastly is to stop illegal fishing because it is the one that threatens the marine ecosystem and the one who destroyed the fish and the coral reefs. So, by the help of the law and the government to stop the illegal fishing, putting a 24-hour surveillance in the ocean. So, by the help of our Coast Guard, and because they are the one who protect the ocean and the marine ecosystem. So, by putting a 24-hour surveillance in the water, it helps the stop the illegal fishing and monitoring all the happens in the marine ecosystem. To stop and prohibit certain forms of fisheries which contribute to the overcapacity and overfishing, to eliminate subsides that contribute to illegal and reported and unregulated fishing, for those who do not follow the rules and regulation of the ocean, they will be given a punishment of a life sentences in the court. We should be the one who are responsible to maintain and protect the life below water. So, this is the end of my report. Thank you for everything and have a nice day.
Fearless.